Chapter 4, The Diversion.
Whoa!
Oh, jeez.
A minute! No wonder the mortality rate of that chamber is so high. You can't even get past the first turret. Blind turn. Does
Thanks.
that help?
Thanks. Thanks for that. That scared me. Yeah.
Great, that worked. Unfortunately, I don't think I can help any longer. Even though I've got access to all the subroutines, only certain functions are still working.
Put me down.
There you go.
Target lost.
You'll be fine.
Good night.
Good night. And at least now I can see the lasers. Oh, you're on a portal floor.
It probably deserved it.
Pardon? That you? Or is that you? I don't blame you. That was a new line, I think. Or I just misremembered. Nope. I am not anywhere. You're not on a... Eusebius. Yeah, go to sleep. I will not come over there. I don't want that cube, I guess. So shoot it for them, and then like a blue one. And there. So it's down there. Wait for you to go to sleep, and I'll just jump down, I guess.
Searching. And there you are.
Oh, you can shoot me from there. Ooh. Eh. Oh, it was in the ceiling. And I can probably get rid of that one by doing something like this. Yeah. Okay. Now we can explore to solve the puzzle. There's a button up there. Oop, I should have brought the cube. Oh, that was still too much momentum. Might be easier if I do it this way, actually. Just walk into it. There we go. No, you stay up there. That worked. Okay. Button. And then, like so. That's pretty jammed up too. See. We see the prompt. Bonk. Bonk. Okay. How do I get those turrets? Ah, from over here. Here probably? Did you dispense me a new button? Oh no, that's not... It didn't. I thought that was a water pit. I missed. There we go. There, maybe? Close enough, I guess.
I don't blame you.
You know, the turrets do have feelings. There's no need to be so cruel to them.
Yeah, but I have a life. And I don't want bullets in it.
Only 2 more chambers to reach the spire. I think I told you that I need a human to activate it. From what I heard, it's a pretty complicated cognitive test which only a smart human mind can pass. I don't know what that test is, but make sure to save some of that brain power for later.
Push a button. I think we got 2 gels? Oh, it's a ball. Okay. Okay. Turns that on. Can't do anything with this other than get a ball bouncy, which we need to presumably do to get it over there. And then, what, funnel it in a spot? Except those don't really line up. Oh, we can funnel it probably there. Stick it to the wall, and then... what that button does. Probably connects to that. I have to be standing here to catch it. Say ball, though. It's probably not going to stay very well. Does stay, okay. Sort of. It might stay. How do I get the ball? Oh, I guess I lift it up and bounce it through. Ah, but it needs to be bouncy to hit there, okay. Orange. Is that the right spot? Bluish. How am I going to contain this? Nope, 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 nope. No bounce that way. Stop, 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 stop. Good. So I need to... move the blue. How do I throw this in there? Nope. Unless I can capture it from, like, above me. That might work. Pull it back through. Yep. And then I need to place an orange here. And it will bounce. It will not bounce correctly. How am I gonna get over there? I guess I could do the same thing, but with the... I guess maybe that's what I need to do, is have them both bouncy and put a puddle of... a puddle of bouncy goo. Gel. Okay. Game saved. It's a good sign. Retrieve the ball. Maybe that is what I want to do, because I don't want the ball itself to be bouncy. But it lands over there. Oh!
Almost a perfect bullseye. That would have been fun.
Come on. That's got to be doable. Yeah, I guess now there's... unless the ball's gonna roll. Thank you. Yeah. But, how do I get up there? I guess I was supposed to get myself over there first, using the ball. And then I could have manipulated the ball from over there. Okay, so how do I fix that now? Force a new ball to drop. How do I turn it off? Remotely. So that I can bounce. I can drop bouncy liquid on the button. Yeah. Except, yeah, okay. This requires a little bit of quick coordination, but I think I have the plan mapped out. I need a ball. Button. I missed. And that was the wrong portal. Great. Oh. Yeah. So I can no longer activate the funnel. So I just need to do that. It's probably programmed that the first one is fails, no matter what.
Sky! Finally, we're back! We're getting pretty close to our goal. Don't die now.
Yeah, I'll try my best. No guarantees. There's the exit. It needs a button, which is over there. We have a button here that drops presumably some form of gel. It was bouncy gel on the sign. Yeah. Okay. We gotta make a bounce pad. Somehow jump out of here, through there, land on there, come out of there to the exit. So how do we fly out of here with enough momentum? But first I want to fly out of here with enough momentum to get over there, which probably means just doing something like this. Yeah. That's gonna give me... Where do we get the cube from? Oh, this gives me a bouncy cube. Yeah. Interesting. I don't think that's supposed to happen. But yeah, I need to wash it off before sending it over here. Which means I need to send it through the gauntlet, which will wash it off. Okay. And now it's over there. Okay, cool. So it needs to go in here, come out there. And then once it... Oh, except I actually wanted it to come to me. And, yeah, alright. Yeah. And now I can just send myself through that gauntlet. Except I could probably do it an easier way. Can I get back there? Because I can't get at that portal from here. I could probably just go through the whole thing. It'll be a fun ride. As long as I can do it fast enough. Like that.
It's always refreshing to see chambers where the goal is to clean up the gels. Most of them encourage you to smear it all over the place, especially anywhere I can't reach.
Of course, like inside the wall with that cube. Okay, so there's a sign. The crow is back. And you're looking at it. Alright. Number 12.
We did it. We actually did it.
Oh, you're looking at the spire.
Not yet, but we will have done it soon. What are you waiting for? Let's go.
Of course, the door is broken. That is the way to go. Somehow, I think. Maybe not. A lot of light down here. But, like, that's surely gonna kill me. It doesn't. Okay. It looked very dirty. Keypad lock. Just turrets. And light. What are these boxes? I don't recognize these. No idea. If I was paying attention, I could have probably seen where that light turned on. But I mean, there's this orange thing again, so that was kind of a hint. I need a hug.
Ah, of course. And so close to the finish line, another chamber. Well, I don't see any way to help you here. You'll just have to do it the old-fashioned way.
You don't show up very often when you speak. So that's going to be part of the puzzle. Let's explore the area first. Okay. This is broken. Yeah, how am I going to get up to the door? They were supposed to come in from there. And somehow be able to get a cube out because that portal's over there. And manipulate. Okay, but, that works. And that will allow me to collect a cube. Of course, everything's off, so I have to put the portals there, turn it back on. Alright, I see how this works. It's kind of neat. Except I need to do it fast enough. Ooh, okay, you can't do it fast enough. I guess I just, yeah, put the portal there. Like it's supposed to be in the presumed clean version of the puzzle. Except I just did it backwards. Put the blue in here. Now we can get a cube. So here. And I can then bring it over here. Wait, no I can't. I can't go through there. I bring it back over here. On the button. So that I can turn the power back on. The door will open, I can shoot a portal through here. Except I need to have that button. That cube back. So I can just go collect. Careful. Hopefully that didn't turn off. Oh! I didn't realize there was a hole there. Okay. Wait. Oh, I could have used that probably to get across. Initially. I guess I gotta jump vertically from here. Somehow. Place the blue one as I'm falling. Except I think I want the portal to be facing this direction. But I can move then that forward and make it up here. To the exit. Hello? Not the exit. Out here somewhere. Why would I want to go there? Oh, get on the other side of the pipe. I missed. A little bit higher. Walk in and then jump. There we go. Orange one there. And then rearrange the blue one so that it's lower so I can jump into it. Yeah.
Halfway there. Well, at least it's a good view. Life gets a bit claustrophobic down in the facility.
Yeah, what is this Aspire of? What is this thing's purpose? Hello? Oh, stuck. Okay. How am I supposed to go down? Smash. What am I missing? Go up out here somewhere? Color is harder to tell. There wasn't anything, it's just more wall surface. This doesn't open? No. Maybe I'm supposed to? Can I? Oh, I can't fall down that one. Okay. Had to be that one specifically. Minor cat distraction. We'll see how this goes.
If this
Ooh,
is
aerial
the last
faceplate.
chamber. I'm going to assume you're doing this just to mess with me.
Nope. Okay. I should probably plan out what I'm gonna do before just jumping into it.
This isn't the last chamber. I'm going to assume you're doing this just to mess with me.
Well, I don't make the chambers. That's up to you. Cube. Oh, cube's gonna drop right on the thing. Okay, so I want to place my blue over there, but then get back up here to push the button. How do I... Well, there's power. Down there. Okay. So then I can probably carry the cube across then? Is what that is implying to me? Somehow? It should land over by the door. Yeah. And then I need to turn off the power. Oh, but I can't probably be flinged if the power's off. So how do I get myself over there? I am assuming that is the case. Double check that. Yeah, this looks dark. Yeah. Can't get easily up here other than by flying out of there. Oh, that did work. Not much I can do now that I'm over here, however. See, I could keep my blue there and get back to the beginning. I could fly back out of here, but I don't see how that solves the puzzle yet. Unless I can somehow re-throw the cube. See, I need my blue portal here, and I need to get to there. Somehow. I can't jump into the blue portal. Which implies that I walk over there when the power's off? I still can't get over there, though. Like, walk through this, but then I can just get to the same spot from here by dropping down. But I can't get up there. nothing down here that would help me, right? Because it's not like this floor is a surface. No, it's just the front of this. Or back of the... Why is my bottom arm on the gun wiggling? That just suddenly distracted me. Then it stops, sort of. Anyway, puzzle. How do I get the cube over here? Power off, carry it. How do I get here with the power off? It's fling it from up here. How do I get my portal there to be flung from? Wait, if I destroy the cube, it'll... Yeah, that's what I gotta do. Gotta remember these mechanics. If I destroy the cube, it should spawn a new one. So yeah, I can bring the cube down here with me. Put it like here. Place my portal there. Place my second portal there. Throw this cube in the water. And it should automatically give me a new one? No? No, it doesn't. Well, I thought it would. Because it did before, for other objects. So then I still need to get up here with my blue portal there. But there's no way I can jump that. To get back over there. That still doesn't help me. That doesn't get me here. Because I gotta move my portal. There's no floor space for a portal. Yeah. Oh, unless I do something ridiculous, like fly out of here. Try and shoot the portal as I'm going through, which is then just going to send me back out of this one. No, back out of this one. How is this gonna work? I need to be able to quickly place 2 portals as I'm flying. So I need to fly through there, come out of here, fly through there, place a portal there. And maybe I'll just keep my momentum and keep flying through, and then on the next cycle around I can then place the blue one there. And then I can fly out of there, the orange one will still be there. I can place it, summon a new cube. I mean, logically that might work. That might be difficult to pull off though. Let's try it. Okay. Gotta make sure I plan this right. So I want to place my orange on the slant after I come through blue. And then I want to place blue up there. So right click, then left click. Okay.
This isn't the last chamber. I'm going to assume
I
you're
gotta
doing this just to mess with me.
get the position right, I guess. No, it was probably, because I was off center, so it was probably like there. Let's try that. Okay. No, okay, it just got to be in the center of them. I think that's quicker.
This isn't the last chamber. I'm going to assume you're doing this just to mess with me.
Again, I don't have control. That's what you're supposed to do. Maybe this isn't gonna work.
This isn't the last chamber. I'm going to assume you're doing this just to mess with me. This isn't the last chamber. I'm going to assume you're doing this just to mess with me.
And you just like ever so slightly a little bit more height. Like, I don't think there's a way I can jump off the wall with like a coyote timer or something through the wall. I don't think that mechanic exists. Maybe it does. I don't know. I still hit the... Well, I jumped right over it.
This isn't the last chamber. I'm going to assume you're doing this just to mess with me. This isn't the last chamber. I'm going to assume you're doing this just to mess with me.
So how else could I achieve this? Like, I can't land in this one from anywhere. I could come out of that one and fly to the exit. I could come out of this one and just land here, but could I place the blue portal there as I'm in the air, maybe? That might be more achievable. As I come out of the blue portal, place it there. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Want that the other way around for no reason. I want to place the blue one over there. No, that didn't look. Yeah, again, this solution also doesn't deal with turning off the power. Because presumably that mechanic wouldn't be there if there was no use for it. Yeah, that looked covered up by the glass immediately. Can I do anything with that? I don't think so, because none of these glass are breakable, so, like, if I could smash a cube into here, maybe that would break, but these ones wouldn't. So I don't see any use in that. So yeah, the turning off the power must be to move the cube from here to here. But how do I get up there when the power's off? Like, I can get height here and here, but not do anything with it. Yeah, see, like, there's no way I can shoot a portal into that little bit from this location. And yeah, I don't think that's going to change with perspective. No, that gets even worse. Like, I could do it with that one, but I can already shoot a portal there from this location, so... that's impossible. What am I missing? There's this window broken for some reason. What is this wall for, too? Be up here to push the button. I can't get up here when the power's off. I can't get up here without using both my portals. We could push the button and then run down there and move the portal? I'm gonna have to run off in this direction. It might be doable. No. That was the wrong portal anyway. So is there some way I can juggle it somewhere? Like if I shoot it at here, it's just gonna go land over there unretrievably. None of these horizontal, vertical surfaces connect to one another. Can I send it, like, back? What happens if I do this? I hit that. Lower? Yeah.
If this isn't the last chamber, I'm going to assume you're doing this just to mess with me. If this isn't the last chamber, I'm going to assume you're doing this just to mess with me.
And it's not like, yeah, doing something like that respawns the cube. Like, even dropping it from here, I don't think would be enough momentum. Can't turn off the power and then get back up here. I was wondering if, like, if you press the button when the power's off, it'll queue up, so when the power turns back on, it'll immediately release a cube. Or can you put a cube on a dead aerial faceplate to then be activated as soon as you turn the power on? Bam. Oh, and it lands on the button. Nice. Okay. There we go. What is this way? Okay, I guess that door probably wouldn't have opened then, I guess. It really looked like that one have. This one over here? Or does it break? No, it just doesn't respond. Okay. Alright. I misjudged the correct way to go. These puzzles are starting to take longer. That's where we just were. This was, yeah, the spot just up here. Okay. Okay. Got a better location. How about this wall? There we go. No fence. This is a different one. Carlo the complainer says, my new boss is a robot. Robots are smarter than you, robots work harder than you, robots are better than you. Volunteer for testing today. Mild interruption.
There she blows.
There it is.
This spire reaches from the bottommost parts of the facility all the way up to the surface. You certainly don't want to fall down that shaft. After you.
Well, thank you. Up the stairs. Can't even see the shaft, unfortunately. Remember, no teleportation equipment is allowed inside the device's specimen chamber. Keep personal items outside on a designated object waiting tray. There's more slides. These ones I don't want to miss. Okay, thanks for listening. At the end of it. Matter displacement device. To do replace this drawing. It's like gravity gun or something? Interesting. Control room. Uh-oh.
What a machine. Let's look for the input. Look for things that seem complicated.
All of it. Exit. Okay. Big turbine of some form. Seem complicated, you say? Complicated. 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 Oh. Big red button.
That's it? You just need to press a button? Well, that's kind of underwhelming. Whatever. It's powering up. You'll soon see what this beast is capable of. We need to run a series of checks. There should be a cube arriving near you any second.
I shouldn't have jumped down. Hello, companion cube.
Please put that into the specimen chamber on the left.
On the left. Okay.
Starting first test on an inanimate object. If all goes well,
Oh, it's teleportation.
teleported to the other chamber.
All right.
Please work. Starting first jump. Now. It worked. It actually worked.
Wow.
Very good. See, while low-tech devices like your handheld portal device need to place physical portals to achieve teleportation, this little guy can instantly swap any 2 volumes of space in the whole universe. We designed
Wow.
entire test chambers around not being able to shoot portals through walls, while this thing just bypasses our three-dimensional plane. Anyway, let's recycle that cube. Gotta clean up after ourselves.
I don't really want to. But I guess we have to, like usual. Can I do anything else with it? I don't think so. Some interesting heat effects.
Hate to break it to you, but there is one more test we need to pass. First comes inanimate, then animate. Please
Yep.
enter the specimen chamber.
Thank you.
Alright. Sorry, but to start with the test, you'll have to temporarily resign as janitor.
Oh, shucks.
I'll rehire you after the test, but I need a registered test subject to continue. Good. We're almost there. Thank you for doing this for us. Well, time to put an end to the collapse. Let's rebuild the central core. Oh, right. You probably know her as GLaDOS.
Wait.
It's about time we bring her back, don't you think?
No.
Monster spread her parts all over the facility, even the parking lot. No way in hell I could get her back together without this machine. Time to start the test. See you on the other
Ray.
side.
I don't like this.
That's not good. What are you doing in there? Get out of there!
I can't.
Turn it off!
Oh.
You're back. Thought I lost you. I can fix this.
That was the original basement.
Give me a second. Actually worked. I almost fixed it. I'll try to get you out of this spaceship loop. Gotta be quick about this before you leave again. Get ready.
Loading screen. Chapter 5.